Welcome back to Swift Financial Partners, where we help you work smarter, faster, and with confidence. Today, we'll walk through how to import your prior year clients into this year's software. The process is simple, and you have 2 easy ways to get it done. Method 1. Import while creating a new return. Let's start with the quickest method. From your dashboard, select Clients, then choose New Return. Type in your client's Social Security number, choose Save and Continue, and the system will automatically scan last year's data files. If the client exists, the software will ask whether you'd like to import their information, and here's where you'll see 2 options. Simple Import pulls basic client details but no prior year amounts or form calculations. We also have Comprehensive Import, carries forward W-2s, 1099s, Schedule C data, and other prior year amounts for a smoother start. Select the option that fits your needs, and the system will bring the information forward so you can begin reviewing and updating the return right away. Method 2. Import through the Tools menu. Now let's look at the second method, perfect for importing several clients at once. From the bottom left side of your dashboard, click Tools. The very first tab you'll see allows you to import prior year clients in bulk. Just like before, you can choose between a simple import and a comprehensive import. But here's the bonus. This method lets you select multiple clients or run a full bulk import using the checkboxes. Here's a quick tip. Don't forget to set your view per page preferences so you can see up to as many as 25 clients per page at once. After choosing your clients, select Import Selected Returns and give the system a moment to process. Once complete, head back to your dashboard to view the total number of clients successfully imported. And that's it. Importing your prior year clients is quick, flexible, and designed to save you time. Whether you're importing one client or your entire book of business, the system keeps the process simple and efficient so you can focus on preparing accurate returns without repeating last year's work. For more helpful tips, tools, and support, stay connected with Swift Financial Partners.